The Chief of Staff of the now-defunct Commission to Assess the Threat to the United States from Electromagnetic Pulse Attack testified recently to the House Homeland Security Subcommittee that there are North Korean satellites passing over the United States on a frequent basis that could wipe out our electrical grid for years to come. North Korean KMS-3 and KMS-4 satellites are described by the regime as meant for Earth observation, but Dr. Peter Price says they could easily carry a nuclear weapon and are orbiting at the level where an electromagnetic pulse attack, EMP, event could be initiated. One of their satellites passes over the United States about every 45 minutes. If armed, Price asserts that a threatened Kim Jong-un could make a decision to detonate somewhere over the U.S. at any time. Detonation of an EMP device in orbit would create a short but massive burst of electromagnetic energy that would disrupt an unprotected electrical grid and the electronics upon which the United States depends. Dr. Price suggests that it would take years for the grid to be completely restored, if ever, and could result in the deaths of 90% of the population from starvation, loss of vital infrastructure, and societal chaos. An EMP would also render satellites inoperable, including the manned space station. North Korean media mentioned the capability of using nuclear weapons to cause an EMP event for the first time in September 2017. Kim Song-won, dean of Pyongyang's Kim Chaik University of Technology, stated, "In general, the strong electromagnetic pulse generated from nuclear bomb explosions can severely impair electronic devices, electric machines, and electromagnetic grids, or destroy electric cables and safety devices. The discovery of the electromagnetic pulse as a source of high yield in the high-altitude nuclear explosion test process has given it recognition as an important strike method." The EMP Commission was created in 2001 to address what was thought to be a highly unlikely event, a description that was also given to the possibility of the attack that occurred on September 11. After years of repeatedly warning Congress about the risk to the United States of an EMP attack, Dr. Price's recent testimony may be the last we hear about the issue until it actually happens. Funding for the commission was terminated September 20, when neither the Department of Defense nor the Department of Homeland Security requested its continuance. This happened the same month that North Korea detonated an H-bomb with the capacity to cause a major EMP event.